Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you folks the Sea Ray 2023 SPX. What a great little boat this is. It does everything very, very well. It's also very, very fast. You'll absolutely love it. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 23 SPX. Let's start at the back of the boat. Most important thing is that guy right there, the Mercury Verado. It's a 250. It's the quietest, the most powerful. It's made in America. Just an incredible motor. You'll absolutely love it. And then we move it behind that, and just in front of it actually is a ski piling for towing, for tubing and all that kind of stuff. So that's exactly what it's meant for. It's perfect. You've got a nice big sun pad so two people can lay out very, very comfortable. And if you want to sit in the back when the motor's down, all you got to do is hit this button lever right here. And now we have gigantic storage, so you can keep everything, but you can keep beach chairs, you can keep all your toys, fenders, you name it, you can keep everything in here. So it's very, very cool. It's very, very big, because this boat is actually made with an inboard outboard as well, and that's where the engine would go when they make it that way. So when we put an outboard on it, you've got all this space to utilize for storage. It's great. Then we've got a cooler down underneath, so it's dedicated underneath. It's out of the way. It's not going to float around on you. And then you've got storage there. You also have storage in here. You have storage in here. And you can also use it as a cooler. So you could actually put all your drinks for the day in there, throw some ice on top of it. It's self-draining. So if you need to, you want to keep your food in the cooler, keep your drinks in here, it's a good way to do it right there. As I move over to the head, got a nice captain's chair in front of the head, and then it's pretty good size. It's a pump out, so you don't have to worry about that as well. And but it does the trick for you, no problem. And then as we move over to the helm area, you've got a nice clean helm. You've got a Fusion stereo on it as well. Again, another captain's chair, which is very, very comfortable. So just good looking helm on it. So let's move up to the bow. So you can sit four adults up here comfortably. You've got two nice sized lounges right here. Very good size, very wide. Handles to hold on to. You got your stereo speakers. Here you have your access to your anchor. And lastly, the Bimini top, they had added another section on it, so now instead of a 2-section, it's a 3-section Bimini, and it gives you some good shade coverage, which is great, especially in the summer like it is right now. But what a great all-around boat. You can do anything you want with this boat. And you have any questions, you'd like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.